Have you ever heard someone say, "Everyone else is doing it, so it must be right"? That's called the bandwagon fallacy, and it's a trap that you want to avoid in debates. The bandwagon fallacy happens when someone argues that an idea is correct simply because it's popular. Popularity doesn't prove that something is right or even logical. Let's break it down. Imagine you're debating whether pineapple belongs on pizza. If someone says, "Everyone I know loves pineapple on pizza, so it must be the best topping," they're committing the bandwagon fallacy. Just because many people like it doesn't mean it's the best for everyone. Here's another example. Electric cars can't be good because no one in my neighborhood drives one. Again, this argument relies on what others are doing rather than the actual evidence. To avoid falling into this trap, focus on facts and reasoning. If you're arguing that pineapple belongs on pizza, instead of saying, "Everyone loves it," you could say, "Pineapple adds a unique balance of sweetness to salty toppings, which enhances flavor according to chefs who specialize in pizza making." If you encounter the bandwagon fallacy in a debate, call it out politely. You could say, "Just because something is popular doesn't make it the best choice. Can we focus on the actual benefits and drawbacks?" Don't let popularity replace logic in your arguments. Mastering the ability to spot and avoid fallacies like this will make you a stronger debater. Follow us for more tips and check out our virtual speech and debate classes where we build confidence and communication skills.